Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on PC. First, you will need an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android device on your computer, allowing you to run mobile games and apps seamlessly. We recommend using BlueStacks for its performance and ease of use. It's a simple process that opens up a world of mobile gaming on your desktop. To get started, visit the official BlueStacks website and download the installer. Once downloaded, launch the file and follow the simple on-screen prompts. The installation process is quite intuitive, guiding you through each step. It usually takes just a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and computer specifications, and requires about 5 gigabytes of disk space. After BlueStacks is installed, open it up. You'll find a familiar interface, much like an Android tablet. Navigate to the Google Play Store within BlueStacks, search for Subway Surfers, and then click the Install button. Once the download is complete, the game icon will appear on your BlueStacks home screen, ready for you to launch and enjoy. Now you're all set to play. Use your keyboard's arrow keys to control your character, swiping left, right, up, and down. You can also customize these controls within BlueStacks settings for a more personalized gaming experience. Dive into the vibrant world of Subway Surfers on a larger screen. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.